Traditional diets around the world, what we can learn. Ever wonder why some cultures seem to have a knack for longevity and vibrant health? The secret might just lie in their traditional diets. Let's embark on a culinary journey to explore some of the world's healthiest eating habits and uncover the wisdom they hold for us. The Mediterranean diet, originating from countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, is more than just a way of eating, it's a lifestyle. It's celebrated for its emphasis on fresh, whole foods and its remarkable health benefits. Olive oil is the cornerstone of this diet, providing healthy monounsaturated fats. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to support heart health. Abundant fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These plant-based foods are packed with antioxidants that protect against cellular damage. Fish, a regular feature in the Mediterranean diet, offers omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are crucial for brain function and reducing the risk of heart disease. The Japanese diet, particularly the traditional Okinawan diet, is renowned for promoting longevity and overall well-being. It's characterized by small portions, fresh ingredients, and a focus on nutrient density. Rice is a staple, providing a source of complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. It's often accompanied by a variety of colorful vegetables. Seafood, including fish and seaweed, is a key component, offering essential minerals and omega-3 fatty acids. Seaweed is also a great source of iodine, important for thyroid health. Fermented foods like miso and natto contribute beneficial probiotics to the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion and immune function. The Indian diet, with its regional variations, is rich in spices, vegetables, and legumes. It's a vibrant and flavorful approach to eating that offers numerous health advantages. Turmeric, a golden spice, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It's been linked to improved brain function and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Lentils and beans are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber. They help regulate blood sugar levels and promote satiety. Ghee, a clarified butter, is often used in cooking and is believed to aid digestion. It's also a source of fat-soluble vitamins. These traditional diets offer valuable insights into healthy eating. They highlight the importance of whole, unprocessed foods, plant-based ingredients, and healthy fats. Prioritizing fresh, seasonal produce can significantly boost your nutrient intake. Embrace the flavors and variety that nature provides. Incorporating healthy fats like olive oil and omega-3s is crucial for overall health. Don't be afraid to add these to your daily meals. Experimenting with spices can add flavor and health benefits to your dishes. Explore the world of spices and discover new culinary adventures. Inspired by these traditional diets, it's time to take action. Start by incorporating one new element from these diets into your meals each week. Try adding turmeric to your morning smoothie, swapping processed snacks for fresh fruit, or cooking with olive oil instead of butter. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the knowledge and encourage them to explore the benefits of traditional diets. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips and let us know in the comments which traditional diet you're most excited to try.